Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooker with Ron, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe? It helps other people know when I'm posting videos. Well, today I'm having a bad day, but I made some tuna fritters, and I'm going to explain and show you the what I made and give you my taste test and explain my bad day. Started out really good. I got up this morning and fine. I'm going to make my coffee. My coffee Keurig machine needed to be descaled, so I had 1 cup and it wouldn't work unless I descaled it. And then that took about a 20 or 30 minute process. And so okay, what else? I go to make a turnip casserole with ham and made it like a scalloped potato with some cheese and some other stuff I put into it. Did a sauce over the stove. I forgot to put the cheese and the sauce on the stove, so I added it afterwards. And that came out fine, but the problem is I almost sliced my finger off. It's right here, my middle finger, see that? Not too, it's got a little bit of a gash. It's starting to heal a little bit. But that's smarted, and then it bled most of the day. And so I decided to, by the way, that came out fantastic. Even though I messed up, I forgot a couple ingredients in, and I got that recipe from Deliciously Carb. Her name is Betty. Anyways, I'll have her links below the video and on the show more. And so that came out really good. Even though I messed up and I forgot to put 2 ingredients, I added them in afterwards, and it still came out okay. And all the stuff that I'm doing for recipes, anything can be interchangeable. If you don't like something, add. If you want more, add less. If you, this particular recipe that I made, and I'll show it to you. This recipe comes from Jess from over there, my friends at Keto Rewind. She made a cheesy chicken fritter and out of 2 cans of chicken meat. And I made that particular recipe before, maybe not quite the way she made it. But I followed this pretty close to what she did, and what I ended up doing was I ended up making tuna fritters. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? So instead of how she did it in the oven, I believe, I did mine in the air fryer. And these only took about not even 10 minutes, really. Look at how that nice, the back side, nice and golden brown. So let me see if I can read this notes without the glasses. So what I did was I took 1 can of bumblebee tuna. It could be any tuna. I drained the water. You don't need to save the juice. You don't need to dry it out so dry like when you're doing a chicken crust pizza. And everything was all to taste. I put a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. I put a little bit of oregano flavoring, and I put a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then I used about a cup of mozzarella cheese, and then yeah, and that was it. And then I ended up using a little bit of parmesan cheese. Now, I didn't want to use the almond flour this time because I wanted to make this without the almond flour, but she said you could have used almond flour, either or. And then I used 1 egg, and everything was all to taste. And then if that wasn't enough, earlier this past week, I burnt my up and bottom lip there biting on some hot oil with some cheese, some fries that I had made out of turnip. It's trying to heal, but it feels like in the morning when it's puffy out and stuff like that until I start, using my lips when I'm using my food, and I'm having a hard time adjusting to it until it heals properly. But let's give it a taste test and see what happens and see if I got something here. This is the first time I've had the tuna fritters, by the way. These are really good. I did also, I sprayed each one with avocado oil and sprayed the bottom of the avocado oil in the fryer, and I popped it in for 400 degrees. I originally set it for 20 minutes because I'm just playing around with the air times, and I wanted to get nice and crunchy like this. Now what I'm thinking, like, this might taste really good on a shaffle. Make a couple of shaffles and put a little bit of mayonnaise. Really good. Look at that, guys, huh? Good. Oh. So I just wanted to thank our friends over there at Keto Rewind and Jess for putting that recipe out the other day. And I'm gonna figure out how to put some of those links above the video so you can just click on it at that point. And I'm slowly figuring things out. It's just taking me a tremendous amount of time. And yeah, everything else is going good. The weight's down, the weight's coming off. I'm back on track. We got a big holiday coming up pretty soon next week, and I'm just going to eat sensibly and have what I want, but I'm going to have it within reason. And yeah, so just be watching and just show you another one. Look at how nice and dark that is on the backside, huh? She said you could put almond flour in here, or you can even put pork rind in there for breadcrumb if you want that type of deal. But I made mine with just the way I told you. Now I had a little tiny bit of Parmesan cheese left, the shredded kind, and I just wanted to get rid of it, so I just tossed it right in at the end. And tell you this, like, oh yeah, you can put some pepper flakes in here and some hot sauce and whatever your heart desires. And this is how I made this, and I mean this is great. I mean, I really love this. Look at that, guys, huh? Mm. 2 thumbs up to you, Jess. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be watching for more videos. I got the turnip one done, but I got to edit the video. So these will be 2 videos I'll be posting later up in the week when I get a chance to finish the editing part of it. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant, and have a great day. So these are crunchy tuna fritters. We're going to pop them out and let them cool and have a bite and talk about it in the back room. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.